Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. So, DJI, what on earth is going on? Here we were, popcorn in hand, ready for some epic announcement, maybe a slick teaser, a cryptic social media post, or even an eerily suspenseful countdown about the long-anticipated Mini 5 Pro. What did we get instead? Complete and utter radio silence. It's like that one friend who texts, "I'm 5 minutes away," and then vanishes into thin air. At this point, we're left wondering, has DJI gone incognito, or is this just the most elaborate marketing cliffhanger ever? But wait, just when the drone sphere was despairing, the leaks swooped in like heroes wearing tiny propeller capes. Shout out to Jasper Ellens and the Drone Leaks community. And oh boy, the Mini 5 Pro. Picture the Mini 4 Pro hitting the gym, giving itself a glow up, and saying, alright, time to level up. The buzz? DJI's flagship Mini is now delayed to September 2025. Rumor mill blames the Osmo 360 push and a mess of shipping logistics for the holdup. US buyers? Feeling like they ordered pizza that never arrived. But don't worry, the drone is legit. Leaks confirm its existence with crystal clear renders, twice leaked packaging, one tagged RCN3, the other RC2. And get this, no, under 249G stamp. Anywhere. Is DJI preparing to abandon the ultralight status for raw, powerhouse performance? Let's break it down. The Mini 5 Pro reportedly boasts a 1-inch image sensor. That's massive growth. Think cleaner low-light shots, deeper dynamic range, and buttery smooth bokeh. It's like your drone footage just enrolled in film school. Add in 4K at 120 frames per second, slow-motion glory awaits. Now imagine a digital crop to simulate a 48mm focal length, tight, punchy shots with that cinematic compression we love. But the wildest, a 225-degree gimbal rotation. That's not a typo, it unlocks tilt-ups, orbit shots, and seamless vertical transitions worthy of a Hollywood dolly, and yes, vertical capture is fully supported. TikToks, Reels, Stories, all Spielberg-level footage. Remember the Mini 4 Pro's obstacle detection? Pretty solid. Now imagine omnidirectional sensors plus forward-facing LiDAR, drone-level Iron Man awareness, dodging trees, bridges, and pesky pigeons with ease. Flight time? A solid 36 minutes. 2 more than Mini 4 Pro. Rumors of a 50-minute battery option are swirling, but that's likely for a heavier pack. Still, 36 minutes with all systems go is pretty darn impressive. The enigma remains: final weight, OcuSync version, price point, wind resistance, all still under wraps. DJI's playing a tight game, but leaks are doing the talking. The Mini 5 Pro looks poised to be the first real pocket powerhouse, trading the sub-249G label for cinematic prowess, bold gimbal moves, smarter sensors, and feature-rich engineering. If DJI doesn't release soon, leaks just might steal the spotlight. We're here for it. Meanwhile, Insta360's new anti-gravity drone just dropped, or rather, unleashed. Timing couldn't be juicier. DJI's silence meets Insta360's wild prototype reveal from wilderness testing, courtesy of drone insider Igor Bogdanov. A rugged AI-infused beast, styled like it just wrapped a National Geographic shoot, this Insta3 anti-gravity drone promises under 249G legal bliss, full 360 degrees capture, 8K footage, hot swappable batteries, metal heatsink cooling, and front obstacle detection with smart safety tech. Reframe the scene after flying: no crew, just pure capture freedom. Imagine telling stories in full 360 degrees, missing nothing. Independent creators, vloggers, cinematic storytellers, this drone is your floating camera operator that actually works for you. No hoops, no registration, just flight and narrative. DJI still dominates roughly 70% of the drone market, but Insta360 has a track record of shaking things up. If this drone lands near Mini 5 Pro's expected price, DJI might have some serious competition. So, Mini powerhouse or anti-gravity disruptor? Either way, the drone world has never looked more exciting.